Hi everyone, in today's video I will quickly describe you 3 main models on Claude. So in the video I will quickly describe you 3 main models on Claude. As you can see, right now I am in the Claude desktop application, and if you first launch the Claude desktop application, on the left you have the sidebar. That contains 3 options. The first one is chat, the second one is co-work, the third one is code. So in the video I will quickly describe you of how does it work and which one is the best for each task, because each one is designed for a different type of task, I would say. So this is why this video might be useful for you. We'll start with the chat, because chat is the simplest one I would say, because everyone probably used this type of model before. The chat is the best for general information. You can ask chat a question, you can generate a text with it, you can summarize content, or you can get explanation. So let's ask a chat, for example, hi, how much people live in the world right now? And you can press enter, and you will actually get an answer. So, how much people live in the world right now? The world population is currently around 8.2 billion people as of 2026. It continues to grow roughly 80 million people per year, though the growth rate is gradually slowing. So this chat is the best for getting answers for the questions and basically generating a text. It is very simple. I think the last two are more interesting, and I will show you that right now. So let's move to the co-work. I'm not going to show you exactly how each of the steps works, because I will do it in the previous videos, but for now I will just describe you in the most simple way how does it work. So we have a co-work. What is a co-work? Co-work basically is designed for a real world tasks, because you can connect AI to your folder on your local computer. You can connect it to your local computer and you can make AI, for example, you can ask AI to, for example, create a file for you, a presentation, a PDF file, whatever you want to, or you can ask AI to read from the folder that you already have. This is exactly what I did here, because this is I would say history from the previous video where I showed you how to use it and how to connect the folder into it. So I connected to a folder, test folder. If you don't know how to connect to a folder, you can also watch the previous video where I showed you that. Inside of this test folder I have 2 files, as you can see, file.txt and script.ps1. I asked AI list all files from test folder, and as you can see, your test folder contains 2 files, file.txt, script.ps1, so everything is working fine. Even the sizes, here you have 0 kilobytes because this is empty. Here you have 1 kilobyte because it is rounded to kilobytes. Here AI is printing the answer in bytes. And this is how it works. You can also, of course, now ask to read from the file. So now print me a text from file.txt that is inside of this folder. Here is the content of file.txt. This is an example. And if I will open this file right now, inside of this file we have this text. This is an example. So this is exactly how it works, and this is how the co-work tab works. In terms of code tab and model, you have to install Git in order to use it. I will show you how to do it in the previous videos, but because for now I cannot just press it and use it. But as you can probably guess, this code tab is the best for programming tasks. So if you want to, for example, write a code, debug it, analyze it, you can do it more efficiently here. Of course, you can try to do it in the chat section or co-work section, but I think the code tab is designed exactly for the programming tasks, and this is why it is better. So what are the key differences? As I said, each model serves a different purpose. The chat is for general use, The Co-work is for task execution and automation, and Code is optimized for development workloads. That's all in this video. If you want to watch more videos with the Claude AI, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.